In DVT, you can easily move a code fragment to a new file. It can help you quickly break down large files and reuse code by means of the include preprocessor directive. Select a block of code and press Ctrl 1. Then, choose Move Selection to New File from the list of proposals. The New File for Selection wizard pops up. Fill in the name and location of the newly created file and press Finish when done. Right-click and show Including File to quickly go back to where you started. Note how the initial selection has been replaced with an include of the newly created file. This refactoring operation can also be triggered from the editor's context menu, Refactor, Move Selection to New File.